Good day everyone, Apex Lab here. So, here is today's trade result. So, kanina nakita ko ng potential trade. No, nag-entry ako sa structure nitong low from this high. Nag-enter ako sa 50%. And then, malapit na tayong matake profit. No, ilang pips na lang, pero nag-reverse agad yung price. Yan. So, in the end, na stop loss tayo sa trade na to. So, isang loss around $14 to $15. But we still have profit. Profit pa rin tayo ng $50. So, it's not a bad trade kasi all in sa rules naman. So, ang nangyari lang ay nabitin yung pag-abot ng price sa take profit. So, pag-angat ng price nabitin. Hindi na take profit yung trade natin. Here's the final result of today's trade. So, this pangalawang trade na to, nag-take profit tayo around this 19,870 kasi around this area yung may malaking rejection na nangyari. Pero nakita natin nag-full TP pa yung price. So, but anyway, may loss tayo kanina na $14.12. Then, nag-trade ako ng isa para ma-break even yung loss ko. Pero na positive position, na positive SL ako ng $0.54 positive. So, ngayon, meron tayong profit sa trade na to na $22.38. So, kung hinold natin yung trade, probable, meron pa tayong $15 profit. But, positive pa rin naman tayo. So, next time, naiwasan ko na lang mag-take profit na manually. So, meron naman ako take profit. So, natakot kasi ako dito. So, kala ko ganun ulit yung mangyayari kasi may rejection week, rejection another week. So, kala ko magre-reject ulit for another week. So, but right now, today we are profit around $8.80. So we're still positive, still 3 trades away from withdrawal. So tomorrow, NFP day, so hindi tayo magpo-position sa market, maghihintay tayo till Monday. So that's all for today's video. See you on Monday.